Hi guys, Neci Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to properly oil the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So I have my synthetic oil here. I chose a Liberty oil, 100% synthetic lubricant oil. I actually got this off of eBay, and I will attach the link in the description section. And I also have a paper towel here just in case I need it. So I'm going to open the door of the light and get a little closer. So the main reason that you will oil your machine is to keep it going for longevity. You want to use a quality oil. So I looked up an article and it stated that Liberty oil products is a really good synthetic oil, so that's why I chose this one. Okay, so if you take the tip off of the spout here, it comes out of this little spigot here. You want to have your paper towel near you just in case you spill. When it comes to oiling the machine, you want to hit 2 points. The first point is here. So it's right on the same line as your needle. So it's this metal point here right at the tip. Okay, and the second point, I have a flashlight here. I'm going to cut my flashlight on. You can see that there's another metal piece that looks exactly like the one I pointed to. Let me back up. There's another metal piece that looks exactly like this one, but it's behind this black encasing. So if I'm shining my light on it, it's right here. You see how I'm going up and down with the hand wheel? So it's right here. There's the metal rod, and then there is a clamp. See the clamp? It's right there. Oh, cool. I finally can see it. So the clamp looks exactly like the one at the bottom, and that is, I'm shining my light on it right there. So that's where you need to oil. So I put a drop of oil on the bottom here. And then I will put a drop of oil at the top here. I'm going in and I'm hitting it. Bam, right there. Ooh. If you inserted too much oil, then I'll take a little paper towel and just dab and just try to wipe up the excess oil, because it can stain the fabric if it's too much oil. And that is how you oil the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So I hope this was extremely helpful. Let us know your ideas for new videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our page, and happy sewing.